Dell offers a strong lineup of gaming laptops under the Alienware and G-Series brands. Whether you prioritize raw power, portability, or a balance of both, there's a Dell machine for you. Here's a breakdown of the top 5 high-performance Dell gaming laptops in 2024. Number 1. Dell G15. The G15 5535 is a fantastic option for budget-minded gamers who crave smooth performance. This mid-range beast packs the latest AMD Ryzen 7 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 tackling modern games at 1080p with ease. Its 165Hz display ensures silky smooth visuals, while the 512GB SSD offers ample storage for your favorite titles. Should you buy it? Absolutely, this laptop is perfect for gamers who want excellent value without sacrificing performance. Number 2. Dell M17R3. Look, the M17R3 isn't brand new, but it can still be a great choice for those looking for a powerful 17-inch gaming experience at a reasonable price. It features a 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2070, capable of handling most games at 1080p with high settings. However, keep in mind you're getting slightly older hardware. Should you buy it? If you find a fantastic deal on the M17R3, it can be a good option. But for similar pricing, you might find newer laptops with better performance. Number 3. Dell XPS 15. The XPS 15 is a fantastic creator laptop, but it's not ideal for hardcore gaming. While it has a beautiful FHD Plus display and a decent GTX 1650T graphics card, it won't run the latest titles at high settings. Should you buy it? If you're a gamer who also does a lot of video editing or creative work, the XPS 15 is a great choice. But for pure gaming performance, look elsewhere on this list. Number 4. Dell new XPS 17. Similar to the XPS 15, the XPS 17 9700 boasts a stunning UHD Plus display and powerful specs. But the RTX 2060 graphics card might struggle with the latest AAA games at the highest settings. Should you buy it? If you're a creative professional who also enjoys casual gaming, the XPS 17 9700 is a great choice. But for serious gamers, it falls short. Number 5. Dell Alienware X17R2. The Alienware X17R2 is an absolute beast. It boasts a top-of-the-line Intel i7 processor, a whopping 64GB of DDR5 RAM, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070T, allowing you to play any game at the highest settings with ease. The massive 8TB SSD ensures you'll never run out of storage space, and the gorgeous 17.3-inch FHD display is perfect for immersive gaming experiences. Should you buy it? If you have the budget and demand the absolute best performance, the Alienware X17R2 is the king. But this monster comes with a monster price tag.